Time for some good old sunshine. I feel like a leaf. I need a drink. Hey guys, I'm just normal Pomni. Again! Why is he so heavy?
Do not even f***ing begin to say that sentence like you didn't try to keep us all trapped here forever. How can you say that like you didn't try to f*** us all over? You're a pain in the ass, but you're still one of us.
Wait, no. Also, the ending where...
Son of a bitch!
What the f is that?
I'm wearing it ironically. That way it shows truly just how little I care.
Well, yeah, you're not funny.
Damn it, Jack.
Hey, dumb!
Sup, moron?
I used to swear so much, but the censoring annoyed the shit out of me.
Now what?